That bulb's now running off that switch. Right, so when you're out in the shack and there's nothing on the radio, you take off your light switch because you get bored, and you wire up with a 2 amp fuse, blade fuse of course, with a jumper cable, little box of Wonders. So we'll put it in its plastic box, screw it to the panel board, and then we'll show you what it does. Little coiled up 433 megahertz antenna, sorry, aerial. 2 capacitors, micro switch, relay. I've just gave it away. There we go. So all wired in line. Little box screwed to the board. 2 amp fuse. Going into the load of the charge controller. We'll have to plug in some LED lights temporarily. Right, 433 megahertz. Easy. Now I'll unplug these, and I can hang this up on the door of the shed, because quite often I come in the shed and it's pitch black. So now as soon as I come in the door, turn the lights on and off. I bought this fucking 5-6 years ago, never used it. I'm never going to get bored of this. Hee hee. Don't know, I've got the light on my phone.